Hey guys, welcome to Aero Robotics. In the today's video, we are here at this location to test the sailing and flying capabilities of our flying boat project. Furthermore, in this video, we will fly, sail and even crash this flying boat. So stay connected and let's put this boat to the test. Firstly, I have decided to fly this here in this ground, and then we will head toward the lake beside me to test the boat mode, water takeoff and water landing. I have also uploaded the full building process of this boat. You can check out that video in the I button. The boat flies in a suitable manner, not very stable but pretty well for this design. And now let's head toward the lake to sail it. One more thing to note is that I initially encountered an issue with the back motor being too closer to the water. That's why I decided to use 8-inch propeller. However, even after cutting, I still face the same problem. But today I have increased the height of the back motor and now I am using 10-inch propeller. So let's test it now. And now it's time for the most difficult part of this video, which is water takeoff. So let's do it. And now see this carefully. The boat flies and sail well in my opinion. However, the reason for this crash is not a technical fault. My GPS stand actually fell because during the sail, the area where I attached the GPS stand became wet due to the water. That's why GPS fell and I had to land the boat quickly before a more significant crash occurred. I am thankful that the GPS stand did not get stuck in the propeller because if any of the four motor has stopped, the other could have caused it to flip upside down and then crash in a bad way. But it's all part of the journey. Every struggle brings a valuable experience. Now I have a request for you. Please let us reach 1k subscriber and when we hit that milestone we will be able to create even more weird and exciting projects like this. So thank you for your support and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting projects like this.